Now we'll do 9.4. 9.4 is find the general solution. You have two types of solutions. Suppose if you have linear equation or any other equation, suppose if you take x square minus 1 is equal to 0, you get x square is 1, x is plus or minus 1. The solution is a number, but suppose you just take a differential equation, dy by dx plus sine x is equal to 0. So this one if you solve, so dy by dx is equal to minus sine x, you integrate. If you want to solve, that means you have to find y, that means you integrate. The reverse process of differentiation is integration. So minus sine x dx, if you solve it, you will get cos x plus c. So the solution is a function here. The solution is a function. So if it is a function, then you have two types of solutions. One is called as the general solution. Other one is the particular solution. See, this is a general solution. Y is equal to cos x plus c, where c we don't know. C is unknown. So if you give values for c, suppose you take c is 1, c is 2, c is 3, you will get multiple solutions when you change the c. The c is called as the arbitrary constant. Now particular solution is you find c, they will give some condition. Condition is suppose the curve is passing through 1, 1. Then you substitute x is 1 and y is 1, you get the constant c. Okay, so when you get the constant c, for example, you put x is 0 and 1. Suppose the curve is passing through 0 and 1, you will get, put y is 1 and x is 0. So cos 0 plus c. You know cos 0 value is 1. So c is 0. So this is a particular solution. So the particular solution for this is y is equal to cos x because c is constant. So you have two types of solutions, the particular solution and general solution. Size 9.4, the first question, dy by dx is equal to 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. So solve, we have various methods. One method we are going to use is variable separable method. Variables separable method. Variable separable method we use when you have dy by dx is a function h of suppose xy, where you can split this as some function f of x into g of y. If you have two functions like this, f of x into g of y, when you can split like that, we use the variable separable method. When you can separate the variables, that is, you bring the function, separate means keep dy here, bring this function g of y here, and f of x into dx. So all the y variables to one side and x to the other side. So this is called as variable separable. That means we are separating the variables. Now here, so that this is the first method we are going to learn. And we are going to find the solution of first order, first degree. So you can see this is a differential equation. What is the order of this differential equation? What is the order? 1. Degree? 1. So let us see how to find the solution. So let us keep dy here. Separate the variables. We are going to separate the variables, that is called variable separable method. So dy you keep as it is, and this 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx to the other side. So we have separated all the y one side and x the other side. So dy by dx is here, f of x, this is f of x, and g of y I told you, g of y is nothing here, means it is 1. Okay, so we can separate the variables. Once you separate it, then you integrate both the sides. So when you integrate, you get the solution. So integration of dy is y Integration of this 1 minus cos x is 2 sine square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. So 2 cancelled. So y is equal to integral of tan square x by 2 dx. So that is y is equal to, what is the integration of tan square x? How do you integrate tan square x? What is 1 plus tan square x? 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. So tan square x is secant square x minus 1. So the integration of secant square x by 2 minus 1. So that is equal to tan x by 2. What is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is 1 by 2. So divide by 1 by 2 minus x. So that means y is equal to 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus a constant c. So this is a general solution. If they ask you find the general solution, that's all, no condition, nothing is given. If they give a condition, then only we can find the constant c. Second question, dy by dx is equal to root of 4 minus y square. So separate the variables. You can separate the variables. So dy by dx, keep dy here, bring this here. Root of 4 minus y square is equal to dx. So we have separated the variables. Now integrate. So what is the integration of this? This is of the form root of 2 square minus y square. Integral of dx by root of a square minus x square is sine inverse x by a plus c. So this will become sine inverse y by 2, and this side it is x plus c. So that is the solution. So you can simplify this by taking y by 2 is equal to sine of sine inverse. If you take it to the side, it becomes sine x plus c. So y is equal to 2 times sine x plus c. dy by dx plus y is equal to 1. Y is not equal to 1. If y is 1, it will become 0. That's why. And y is not equal to 1. So dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y. So dy, separate the variables. We are using variable separable method. So separate, that means keep dy here, bring this 1 minus y, the denominator, and take dx to the other side. So we have separated the variables. So now integrate, or I will write it as y minus 1. What is integration of this? Log y minus 1 is minus x plus c. So we can write y minus 1 as log. If you take it to the other side, it will become e. Change log to exponential form. This will become e to the power minus x plus c. Right? So that is equal to e to the power minus x, e to the power c. E to the power c is a constant. Okay, just take it as c or c1. So y minus 1 is e power minus x into c1, where c1 is e power c. So y is equal to 1 plus c1 e power minus x, where c1 is e power c. So the equation is secant square x tan y dx plus secant square y tan x dy. So let us separate the variables. So secant square x tan y dx is minus secant square y tan x dy. So we have to separate the variables. You have dx here. So bring all the x terms to this side. So secant square x dx, bring the x term, that is tan x is here, bring it here. Tan x minus secant square y by tan y dy. So we are separating the variables. Now you can integrate. So we have separated. So can you tell me what is the integration of this? You have learned if f dash of x by f of x dx, that is, if the denominators differentiation is there in the numerator, then the integration is log of the denominator. This is tan x. The differentiation of tan x is secant square x. It is there in the numerator. Similarly, tan y, the differentiation is secant square y. So this is nothing but log of tan x. Log tan x, and this side it is minus log tan y. Now, whenever you have log, all the terms, if you have log, the constant also you can write it as log. So it will be easy for you to simplify, or you have to change later. So instead of that, when everything is in log, it will be easy if you write the constant also as log c. Okay, instead of writing c, I am writing it as log. So I can easily cancel all this. So log tan x, bring it here, plus log tan y is log c. So now use the product rule here. Log a plus log b. What is log a plus log b? Log ab. So this will become now log tan x tan y is equal to log c. So you can remove the log from both the sides. So you get tan x tan y is equal to c. Tan x tan y is equal to c. So that's the answer. That's the solution. When it is log only, there is a problem with the modulus. Here you can put, here also we can put, but when you cancel this, there's not, because why do you put the modulus sign? Cannot have a negative value for log. Log of a negative number doesn't exist. So once you cancel this, you can just leave that. Sum number 5, e power x plus e power minus x to dy minus e power x minus e power minus x is equal to 0. So I will tell you other way. See, this side is a constant, right? So this tan x, even if it is negative, this negative goes here, minus c is again a constant, right? It doesn't matter. So you can just remove the modulus sign here. Next one, e power x plus e power minus x into dy minus e power x minus e power. So now again, e power x plus e power minus x into dy is e power x minus e power minus x into dx. So separate the variables, you have dy here. So keep dy, there is no other y term. So take all the x terms to the other side. Divided by e power x plus e power minus x. Now integrate. We have separated the variables. So now you can see the same concept here, f dash of x by f of x. The log of the denominator, you can see that the derivative of the denominator, e power x is e power x. E power minus x derivative is e power minus x into minus 1. So integration of dy is y. This is log of e power x plus e power minus x plus c. So that's the answer. Sixth one, by dx is equal to 1 plus x square, 1 plus y square. dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square. So separate the variables, bring y term here, 1 plus y square and 1 plus x square into dx. So we have separated the variables. Now integrate. What is the integration of this? There is no root. What is integration? Tan inverse y dx by a square plus x square. Integration is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So here a is 1. Okay, a square. This is 1. 1 is x plus x cube by 3 plus c. So that's the answer. Question number 7. Y log y dx minus x dy is equal to 0. Separate the variables. Y log y dx is x dy. Now you have dx here and you have y log y. So x you bring it here and y log y take the other side. Dx and dy should be always in the numerator. Remember that. So dx by x and dy by y log y. Integral. Log y's differentiation is 1 by y. Or you put substitution method. The differentiation of log y, if it is there, then we can say it is log of. This is log of log y. Because the differentiation log y is 1 by y, it is there in the numerator. So log of log y. Plus you can put the constant as log c. So this is equal to log x product rule. Log of log y plus log c is log a. This is a, this is b. So log a into b. Log of a plus log of b is log of a into b. So now remove log from both the sides. So remove log. So we get x is equal to log y into c. Yc is equal to log, if it goes that side, it will become e power x. So yc is equal to e power x, or y is equal to 1 by c e power x. Again 1 by c is a constant. We can write y as c1 e power x. Number 8. X power 5 dy by dx minus y power 5. So simple integration here. Dy by, bring the y power 5 in the denominator, and dx by x power 5. Now integrate this. So what is integration of y power 5? It will become y power minus 5. So that is y power minus 5 plus 1 by minus 5. So it will become y power minus 4 by minus 4. X power minus 4 by minus 4 plus c. This is minus y power 5. So this minus is there. So minus x power minus 5. Integration of x power 5 is x power minus 4 by minus 4. There is a minus sign here. Plus. That's the answer. Constant. Let's put this as a constant. So x power minus 4. Bring this here. And this will become minus 4c is again a constant. Okay. Minus 4c is a constant. So that's the answer.